This is a basic, no-frills introduction of Knowi on top of MongoDB. You can follow along with everything you see in the video. There are default demo databases that you can use in Knowi when you sign up, or you can use your own. Let's start with Mongo connectivity. Knowi has native integration into Mongo, so you don't need any connectors, ODBC drivers, ETL, or any of that nonsense. I've connected into Mongo. Now let's execute some queries. You can write native Mongo queries here directly, or generate the queries using the query builder. Let's preview the data and save this query. Now let's create a dashboard and add the results in. Now I'm going to ask some plain English questions on this data. I've got my answers along with the visualization, and now I'm going to add this to the dashboard. And that's it for the basics. We've connected into MongoDB, executed a query, and created a dashboard.